Starting your fire is easy. Use a match or lighter and make sure your chimney has a natural draw. If that's not the case, opening a window will help remedy the situation. The window may be closed once the chimney is drawing properly. Roll paper into a corkscrew shape and place in the unit, adding small pieces of dry wood on top. It is recommended to add fire starters to facilitate lighting the fire. Light the fire in the unit. Leave the door slightly open for several minutes. The more the flames catch on the logs, the easier it is for combustion to continue once the door is closed. Once the wood is well ignited, close the door and keep the air intake control completely open for about 15 minutes. Now is the time to add bigger logs. Make sure they are burning properly before adjusting the air intake control to the desired intensity. Using the top-down method to light a fire is also possible and yields good results. Place large logs first, and then small logs, followed by a section of dry kindling on top, and then finally add the paper. This method has the following advantages. It accelerates the heating of the chimney, it quickly increases the draw, it prevents the wood from collapsing onto the fire and extinguishing it after the paper is fully burned, and it avoids having the door open too long when starting. Once you've achieved success, all there is to do is sit back and enjoy the benefits of a great smoke-free wood fire.